Okay, in this video we are going to convert binary numbers to denary numbers. And binary numbers are base 2 and denary numbers are base 10, and they're the numbers you're used to. So denary numbers use the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and they're the number system that you are used to. Okay, so first question, we need to convert this binary number into denary. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create a table. And we need to create a table that is wide enough to store this number. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits. So we need to create a table to deal with that. Okay, so we will start with 1 for our column heading. So 1 is in our units column. So the next column is we times it by 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 16s are 32. 2 32s are 64. And 2 64s are 128. Ideally, you should practice that and get used to going up to 128 to create your own table. Okay, you can practice that just by saying 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Okay, we won't deal with any numbers bigger than that. Okay, so now we'll create a table. Okay, it can just be as neat as possible. Okay, now the first thing we need to do is copy our number into our table. So we need to be careful by copying the rightmost column into our rightmost column of our table. So we can put that in. Let's change my color. Okay, so we've got 0. We got 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, and now the next step is we are going to add up all of the columns that have a 1 in it using our column headings. So we have a 1 in the 128 column, so we need that. So 128 plus, we have a 1 in the 64 column, so we need that as well, plus, and then we've got 16, and then an 8, and then a 2. Okay, now whichever way you choose to add these numbers up is up to you. Column addition is fine, mentally is fine, or if that's very tricky for you, you could use a calculator. And that all adds up to 218. And that is our answer. So what we found was that this binary number in base 2 converted to base 10 or denary is this, and that is all we need to do. So job done for question 1. Okay, now let's look at question 2. Okay, as usual, the first thing we need to do is copy our binary number into the table, and we need to be careful to copy our first or our rightmost digit into our rightmost conversion table. Okay, so we have a 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. And any of these other columns to the left, we can just say a 0 or leave them blank. Might as well leave them blank. Okay, so now, just as before, we just need to add up our, wherever we have a 1. So we've got a 32. We have a 1 in the 32 column. We have a 1 in the 8 column. we have a 1 in the 2 column and we have a 1 in the 1 column, and we need to add that up, and that's going to become to 43, and that is our answer. And to reiterate again, that means that this binary number, in converting into decimal or denary or base 10, they're all the same thing, is 43. Job done. Really is as straightforward as that. Thank you very much.